Hello everyone, welcome back. Let's try as usual to check if the live is on. Give me 1 second. Yep, it's on. Nice. Okay, so let's begin. This will be slightly different from the usual. Comparatively to the previous ones, where we try to learn pawning following the Ironstone guidebook. In this one, we will be trying to develop what's called a raw packet and protocol dissolver with Python. I don't have really the knowledge about everything, so I will be like heavily relying on Google. So let's start. Okay, so firstly we need to import socket, which is a library. It's a library in Python, and we will use as is gonna be equal to socket.socket, and it's gonna be af inet. I think no, it's gonna be firstly socket.af inet and socket dot sockstream sock come on, where is sock stream? Nice. Okay, so in sockets, the sock stream is used for the TCP protocol. In networking, there are two mainly used ones: the TCP and the UDP. The TCP is like safer to use, kinda, and comparatively, the the UDP is less reliable, but it's extremely faster. It's a lot better on like video streaming, etc. So this just initializes a socket that we can bind the clients. So this is gonna be like the server. So the server, I named it like sockets, but anyways. So S is gonna be this, and then we shall print with smaller ones. Print successful socket creation. Maybe I should like put it inside a try. And we will use the except print socket failed. Might not be the best, but it works. CLS. Oh, it's in this Python. If I delay 0x10, it's gonna print 16. Yeah, what did I actually call it? I'll probably use this. I will do like Python socket. It's gonna probably print success. Yep. And we will initialize port B80. 80 is the HTTP port. Let me check if it's in port 80. It is HTTP. Yep. And it can also be used for TCP UDP. Port 80. Yeah, it uses the TCP and UDP protocol for the service of HTTP. For some reason it says Trojan, or some of them. I don't know, not really sure. Let's continue. Then we will do the IP. I will not use IP actually. I want to create my own client, so let me rename this to server. Actually, let's make a directory. Call it networking. Sure. And we will move the server to the networking. CD networking. Nice. And essentially it's just here. Yep. Then what else? We need to accept a connection, so we'll do s dot accept and the host IP and the port. So this will be like a list. I should do it like an IP. Where's the port? I will do like port is equal 80 and IP is gonna be 127.0.0.1. In quotes. So like I have done like 100 times, but I'm always forgetting. So yes, socket.socket. Yes, we need to bind it actually first. So bind. This is for the server. Yeah. So since this server is gonna bind first. Bind is like actually. How to say it? Binding is like saying. Like I connect with you, like it's gonna do a binding. What's it called? Bind. It's gonna it's bind. It's binding. I really don't know how to explain it like in other English words. Maybe I'm stupid or something. Let's do print. Binding was successful, and then we do s dot listen. So we will listen for a connection for 5 seconds. Seconds or milliseconds, and then we print listening on port. We can do port. I think if we use the F, it's gonna work. Listening on port this. And then we will do while true. So there's gonna be like a loop. It's gonna like accept an address, and it's gonna be s dot socket dot accept. It's gonna accept it. Actually, if it's this, it's to like system dot exit. Is it like that or just exit? Probably just exit. Let me check. It says. Oh, I need to import it. Oh, but I'm not in. Will this work? Maybe, hopefully, because I'm in I'm in Windows. I'm gonna like convert. Okay, yeah, it works. So that's cool. How do I stop it? For some reason I cannot interrupt like it. I can interrupt it here, but I cannot interrupt it here. Like, oh shoot! Let me open it up again. That was an accident. You will see nothing. That's normal because I am stupid and I accidentally closed it. And now it's not opening up. There was an error. Oh no. Okay. Give me one sec. Okay, this is very problematic. VMware is not opening up, and Visual Code Studio does not want to also open up. Okay, let me go into the processes. Why so many errors? Visual. Yep, and open it up. Please work. This is a very bad technicality. Does it want to work now? Okay, so very big problems. Let me actually like put something so that you can see. So at least you're not in the dark. Let me put a fireplace. Let me. Where is it? Yep, at least now you can see something. That's better than nothing. And let me fix the issue. If it does not want to be solved, I will unfortunately need to restart my computer because things just happen to stop working like a lot of times for no reason at all. Let me try to open it up again. Like I would actually my other solution was to open it up in VMware, but VMware does not actually want to open up. So that's good. Yeah, for some reason, don't really understand why it does not want to read